So I'm getting ready to start on a new job. I'm actually going to paint a neighbor's kitchen island. Obviously not the top, but the base, the cabinet, the doors, and the drawers. So they've got, I don't know, about 11 drawers, I think, and doors total. And so to speed this up, I'm going to make a rack where I can hang them and I can spray them, at least 4 or 5 of them all at once. So this is what I've got. I've got PVC. He's going to go at the top to hold the PVC together. At the top, I'm going to put 2 bars, one at the top, one in the middle. This is going to hold the ones in the middle and the bottom legs. And then I'm using 1.5 inch PVC. So I'm getting ready to cut this. I'm going to come in 4-foot lengths, and I'm hoping I'm going to have enough. So I'm going to move over to my miter saw, and I'm going to cut these, and we're going to put this together. I'm not going to glue anything because I want to be able to come apart. And we're going to see how this is going to work out. So I've got tracks on my workbench, and I can set this. Like I said, I'm going to do it at 4 feet. So it's going to be right about in, I've got a red line right here. Probably can't see it in the camera. I've got that set at 4 feet. Now I'm going to go get it doesn't have to be exactly 4 feet, but you know, it's just so it's close. Now I'm going to run and get the PVC pipe, and I'm going to cut them. Okay, I've got my wet dry vac hooked up to my saw. And I'll check, make sure I put it at 4 feet. And I did. Okay. Now I need to cut the sides, and I'm going to make those 2 feet, and then to the T bracket, another 2 foot, and we'll be 4 foot high. And so we'll go get the other pipe. We're going to cut those at 2 feet. All right, let's cut these. One. Two. There's 3. These two ought to be about the same. They are. So I'm going to cut these, I guess, a foot. Maybe that's going to be stable enough. We'll see. So bring this over here to a foot. I'm going to cut these in half. Okay, let's go assemble. So now we're going to assemble. We'll assemble the top and put a T there. And a T on this side. So there's the top. Now, we're going to take the 2 foot and put this on here like that. And then we're going to take a T, put that, and then we'll put another 2 foot into there. Okay. All right. 2 foot. T. Another 2 foot. Okay, so let's see if we can stand this up. So we're going to put another T at the bottom. Let's see, I want that T to go this way. We'll put a 2-footer in there, a 2-footer in there. Let's see here. So, put the other T in this back. I'm hoping I don't have to glue this together because I don't have anywhere to store it. I know you can't see it, but I'll put a T at the bottom. Another foot one. Another foot, okay. So, and you twist this around. And now we're going to put this, and twist him around, and then we'll, whoops. So this is what it looks like. That corner down there, and we have a 90 or a T here, and then down here we've got, if you can see it, I've got another T. So that holds it all together, and now I got to figure out how to hang up here. So I'm going to see what kind of hardware I've got, and then I think this is all going to be done. And I'll be able to hang my doors from here and here, and we'll be able to spray paint them. So more than one at a time. So that's going to be great. See you on the next video.